This is an empty blog post where we place the MindFusion Timetable Plugin. For detailed instructions, how to install the plugin, please check the previous video tutorial, which is linked in the description. We open the post and start to make appointments in admin mode while being logged to our WordPress website. We create an appointment, and when we click the Options button, we have the possibility to specify recurrence for the event, along other options, including color. Recurrence can follow various patterns. It can end on a given day, repeat a given amount of times, or end on a given date. When you see the post as a guest, by default, you shall not be able to view the event details. This is easily changed by turning on the option Show Calendar Entry Details to Guests. And this is how you can create recurring appointments using MindFusion's Timetable plugin. The plugin is free when used for up to 25 events. So download your copy now and start building the perfect schedule for your business.